Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Mama Nur Afifuddin. I am from 2JA. In this video, I want to show you how to make cookies ala the famous Amos, like that. So, what are you waiting for? We need 250 gram of butter, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2.5 cup of wheat flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of rice flour, but it is optional, so I don't think we need that. 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 6 spoon of oil, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and last but not least, 2 cups of almond nuts. First, take a massive bowl and put your butter, brown sugar, and egg, and vanilla extract into this gigantic bowl. Mix it well. Until it became like this. After that, we're going to shift all our dry ingredients. This will make our flour even smoother. Then we will mix it again. At the same time, we will take our oil and pour it in. Until it became just like that. The third step is we will take our chocolate chips and almond nuts and we will put it in this batter. Then we will mix it again. Until it became like this. we will wrap this batter and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. At the moment, we will butter this tray. After we freeze it, we will unwrap it. The techniques are: take 2 spoons and scoop the batter, but make sure the size is small and leave some gap between each other because the cookies will enlarge. Scoop it until the tray is full. And the last step is we will bake our cookies for about 20 minutes with 150 degrees. But if you want more crispier, just set the time below 25 minutes. So easy, right? I hope you can bake these awesome cookies during this quarantine. Hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye. Oh, and don't forget guys, stay at home.